Vinay, what are three things you want people to remember about ScaleFluidly?
We are easy to implement. We believe the total cost of ownership when they buy a solution is a lot low compared to a lot of the major players that are out there. And then more importantly, we've built it with a consumer grade user experience in mind. So there could be minimal to no training involved in the use of our application.
Makes sense. What benefits can customers expect from using your solution?
They should be able to get up to speed really fast. They should start seeing return on investment really soon, because implementations times can be very small, and they should be able to start seeing real value out of the system, and they will actually be surprised at how easy it is to actually use the system.
Got it. What preconditions must be met to make a ScaleFluidly project successful?
Ideally, just like with any digital transformation effort, if folks have their business processes documented or aligned, and or their product catalog or pricing or their SKUs realigned or reviewed ahead of this, then it makes the implementation a lot smoother.
And since ScaleFluidly is a new company, how can a customer be certain that their solution with you is still usable in 2 years?
Sure, I think that's a great question. Every customer should look for that and a very thorough answer from us on this. And if the name itself, ScaleFluidly, we put it in so to make sure that we are able to provide for the needs of customers today with respect to simple configurations, variable pricing, and good code documentation collaboration, but then also get them ready for the future in terms of performance, scalability, any integrations. So we'll spend Code CX today does what a lot of other CPQ systems do, but also we envision it to take a path where there'll be a lot of collaboration involved in the application going forward.
And what three business requirements do you hear most often from your customers and prospects at this time?
In our space, we've generally been asked about being able to quote products, services, and support as part of one quoting experience. That's something that others have trouble with. Then more customers seem to be going towards a API first initiative where they want to use their own user experience, but still want the functionality. So what we built with ScaleFluidly's API first initiative should help drive them into a user experience that the customer is used to, not necessarily what we are trying to push over to the customer. But then the third one generally has been around how do they manage new types of products going forward, where they're looking for subscriptions that not just involve products and services, where traditional organizations, large companies that were selling physical products and maintenance services, they're trying to start bundling them, and having the ability to manage the physical aspect and the software aspect of it has been critical. And those are some of the things that come to mind that customers and prospects have been asking us over the last few months.